and welcome to our YouTube channel. Thank you so dearly for always supporting us. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across this wonderful family, or you are seeing my face for the first time, I still remain AGATHA Progress, bringing it to you back to back. Remember, we react to all videos and all opinion is highly needed. So just sit back and watch this video and I will be right back.
Aina shebe berugo bere. Obere bu ni aja ka go mi. Nnamdi Kanu. Omu mwani. Yes sir. Denze no so na elders. Adela kan. Kanyi di oji. Ngo wulo no. O ga re kan gada na le dada na no do ago. Ndo haneze. Na to bomba. Kana wo haneze. Mayaro papa. Ani so ko grupe ho. Keka ke iwanyamu. Aya bu F419 na Nigeria. Mba pe wodo ya contract mo na Sahade land. Yeso. Wodo ya contract ebe ke ye ri ego. Anyi na shi apo ndoro gi ya do megogo. Ebuju kiwe. Kai ebele mapa. Niye Buhari niye Babangida meregi. Age second in command Babangida. Babangida just signed OIC. This I get them. Get you about it, son. Gala, you will talk to you with a woman. Rope women with Johannes. I saw for go. I see water. It's like giving a sabo. It's like giving a sabo girl, my Biafra. I don't get my sabo group. I am a ship. Don't look up and what I think I did your Johuro. I am a ship. Like this. Nnamdi Kanu. Alone ya, uriake ya. Ani sebo ulono, Chineke chekwa yo. Ani na chekwa bono niile, ubara yo kiri shala ke gudu. Ani to he kwara ni kwa ha kwara. Ani sebo ulono, obara be ka hanimo. Do meri glass. Aso akala. Meri akala. Ani na shi, ikiri kana boso ko ta ni. O kiri kana bu ko ta ni ni. Ani shi adere wo kama adere ma ne mo. Ani shun dominin das. Ebe beru ko bere. Owo kirikiri ka na buko se. Wanyi nwoke. Kono na kporo na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Eh, Chineke. Anyị na chigi munyo no ku iho. Na April 8 a ga ikpe. Ani shi ikpe ya fefe okwanyo. Nde DSS. Madinta ma lawyer ga ikpe. Iyo wala anyi kwere ha kpekpe o. Confusion ga be na. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ge shinga ho. Henye certificate. Henye flag enye. Onye sha ha ga mekpa. Ya bu kwa kuko so laba o. Jabu jaga heje nudo la yo kwenu nudo. Ndo wala ga kwana no lo ga kwana gofo na ekpekpere ihe ni na ha nyiku ya gaji ekpo. Osisi huru ni na court ya gbakiri ko. Anyị sobi egbu ni gburu onwe ni. Anya na ga hala Hausa, anya ga hala Kano, anya na ga hala Ugba Hausa. Ihe anyị to ga wala Biafra. Onye sha Biafra ha ga abịa. Ya nwuko. Ma nwoke sha Biafra ha ga abịa. Biafra abịa. Oria omakukwa kwa mamuga epilepsy bia. Agoma kwa ori konye ga ko ayo. Ya je la ori pe he ga hu yo. Nda anyi kporo aha na uhiboga eda. Ge no nti nda anyi kporo aha na uhiboga eda. Anya to he ma ha. Etekikwe he otu. Otu anyi eteki he. Ngo wula no ha. Hey, anyi si stroke bia kwa ho. Ajo mu ahia. Keme ya miki. Mo je ji he je we.
N'ihi ihe na-adịghị mma gaga lala Biafra. Onye na-adụ agba ọchụchụ ụmụ ya aka ọ ga-eji ya. Ụmụ Biafra, Agents of BIAFRALAND, anyị na-enwe nkwubi okwu taa. Ya wuru ozi anyị na-ezifi ala Afara, ya wuru ozi anyị na-ezifi ala Biafra, ya wuru ozi anyị na-ezifi ya Chukwu Okike abịa. N'ihi na otu nwoke a nwe onye isi maazị ya wuru je kpara ego nke ya ụsọ enweghị ọnụ. O kwadoro ihe anyị ikwu n'ibe so deghe ọtụtụ ndị agala nararie ya si agaghị ana eri. Moshila mbụla aṅụrụ m ihe aha akara Gabriela Messi. The elders of Biafra, they could be a kuta, say, Ndezu, Ahaga, Azuhoke. Elemena la me, Nanke, Abalasoto Limonwa, Haga of Tanan. Haga of Tanan. Haga of Tanan, the Hamandaga Huna. Haga Zuike. Haga Hudewa. Haga Wipuha. Haga Wibeha. The elders of Biafra, a Kupia Kuta. She won't walk car, never Lata, Alishi, ne Biafra. Oh, Ogata was on her to book Gaba. Nanuroluani, Rototo, Lanyas, Oboshi, Urano, Uru Asato, Asami Azor on the Biafra. One Nandegalo, Rotra, I had to book Gaba.
I know very well that some people will say, oh, what is so special in this prayer they are praying? Come, let me tell you something. I brought this to you so that your ise or your amen will go a long way in accepting that, yes, God can do it. There is an adage that said that when a child washes his or her hand very well, if he washes her hand clean, he or she is going to eat with others. Nnamdi Kanu at this particular moment deserve all the love that you can ever think of. Yes, he deserves all the love. He deserves all the praise. Like he worked it because he worked for it. Forget, count down in 4 days time. Nnamdi Kanu will be appearing in court, Federal High Court, Abuja, for everything and everything. But we still believe that God in his mighty power will do it. Honestly speaking, it's going to be court hearing with a different, and every one of us will be happy and seeing him, hearing his voice, just like being so close to each and every one of us. I know that you can't just wait to see that happen, because when he was arrested, a lot of people felt sick, a lot of things happened, ups and downs, and I know that his release will bring another new change to everyone, to the struggle and to the belief of Biafra. So my capitalistic people, in your own little way, your own time, join hands together as we commit that day into the hands of the Lord. So my capitalistic people, do it to like this video, share and subscribe if you haven't. I still mean your one and only AGATHA progress, bringing it to you live and direct. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here, I said bye.